Want to borrow against your crypto? Check out the Crypto.com lending platform. Links are in the description below. This established platform caters to both crypto veterans and newcomers. Easily access liquidity without selling your Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, and more. Competitive interest rates are a key feature, especially if you stake CRO, Crypto.com's native token. Staking CRO unlocks better loan-to-value ratios and lower borrowing interest. Loan terms are flexible, from 1 to 3 months, tailoring to your specific needs. No credit check is required, simplifying the process. Perfect for long-term holders and active traders alike. The intuitive app interface makes borrowing and lending easy, even for beginners. Repayments are flexible too, pay interest monthly or settle at the end of your term. Security is paramount. Crypto.com uses cold storage, insurance, and multi-factor authentication. You can also lend your assets to earn passive income with competitive interest rates. The lending platform integrates seamlessly with Crypto.com's exchange, debit card, and staking services. In my experience, it's quick, transparent, and secure, with funds often available within minutes. Whether you're casual or serious about crypto, Crypto.com lending offers versatile tools to maximize your holdings. Learn more in the description below.